Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can sign into your Amazon A to Z employee login portal. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is open any kind of a browser. For now I'm going to use Google, and on your browser on the search bar you'll have to type A to Z Amazon. So after doing that you can now tap on the search bar, and then from here you can see this is the official Amazon A to Z login. Tap on it and then open this website. So after doing that, here you'll have to now simply add down your Amazon alias. But in case if you have forgotten it, you can now tap on the forgot alias and go with that process. So after entering it, tap on continue. And in here now you'll have to enter your login information. After doing that, tap on continue. And then from here, you'll have to now write down the passcode of your Amazon A to Z employee. Here, you can simply tap on this option right here and simply add down the passcode. But in case if you have forgotten your password, you can now tap on the option forgot your password and then proceed that way. Here you can also see the option of Face ID, Touch ID, Device Passcode. If you tap on this, your biometrics will be enabled, so you can either use your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your device passcode. Simply tap on yes and proceed that way. So after entering the Amazon login credentials and your password, simply tap on login, and like that you will be able to sign into your Amazon A to Z employee login portal. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.